Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the claims process if you've been involved in an accident in a warehouse. I'll be taking a look at the steps that we recommend you take following an accident and what you may expect when bringing a claim for compensation for your injuries. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been involved in a warehouse accident which has resulted in an injury, one of the first things we recommend you do is to ensure your own safety immediately following the accident. It's important that you get yourself checked out and have your injuries assessed by a medical professional as soon as possible after the accident. Not only will this mean that you will receive the most appropriate treatment, but also the fact that you attended for treatment will be evidence you can use to show you were injured. In terms of the claims process, any records from these medical assessments and procedures may be used as evidence to help demonstrate the severity of your injury that was sustained in the warehouse accident. Now, when it comes to gathering evidence, it's important that you speak to anybody that may have witnessed the accident which resulted in your injury and ask them for their contact details, as well as to take photographs of the warehouse accident location and what it was that specifically caused the injury. An example being, if a piece of machinery fell, take photographs to help demonstrate how and where it fell from, as well as anything else which may be relevant to your warehouse accident injury claim. The next step that we recommend you take is to speak to a personal injury claims specialist like legalexpert.co.uk. Not only are we open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like, but we also offer a no-win, no-fee service. So you don't need to worry about paying any upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. You can contact us on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll do all we can to help you establish what your options are following the warehouse injury accident. If we feel we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you in pursuing a claim for compensation. From this point onwards, we'll do all the heavy lifting and aim to get you the maximum compensation that you deserve. Whether you're thinking about claiming for stitches following a warehouse accident, or you'd like to know about warehouse accident payout examples, we'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to help you work out how much you may be entitled to. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.